Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Can you believe that Black Friday is around the corner? Yes, we're in the last quarter of 2024, and I have an exciting Black Friday special for you. So you want to make sure you stick around to the very end so you don't miss a thing, right? So, what did you spend your money on last Black Friday? Let me ask you, right? Did you spend your money on liabilities that burnt a hole in your pocket, on things that you actually never got to use? What if you could make a different choice this year, and instead of actually throwing money down the drain, what if you could use the same money to invest in an asset that could set you up to actually earn enough money to pay for your Christmas expenses and to set you up for 2025, so that this time next year you could have a completely different Christmas where you have no stress, no worries, your gifts are paid for, your holidays are paid for, your dinners, your parties, and all that, right? If this is you, you're in the right place at the right time. Who am I? I am the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family, because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never catching up with either one of those. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way, and things started to change for me. So back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following, to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. So now I'm actually learning high income streams and what high income skills. And what I love about this program, that is, even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get ongoing weekly coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure earners. Okay, so we just launched our Black Friday special, which is so exciting. Let me share with you, because what the Black Friday special is that you can actually, if you get started by this weekend here, you can actually start to get access to the blueprint that our six-figure earner, or millionaire mentor, she's actually earned 2 million in 2 years. She put together a step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use, right? So she's on a mission to help 1,000 people earn 6 figures in our community. So far, she's helped over 14 South Africans become millionaires in South African rands, and she's helped over 40 people earn 6 figures. Those 40 people are the ones that give us live interactive coaching and mentorship, right? So if you get started this Black Friday weekend, you can get access to this blueprint and all the interactive live and interactive coaching and mentorship for the same price, but actually have an extra income stream, right? So what if the extra income stream could be the difference between you having an amazing Christmas and just a stressful Christmas? So let me go ahead and share my screen here and walk you through what this Black Friday looks like, okay? So let's make sure we share the whole screen, okay? And let's go. So let me show you what the program looks like normally. So this is our program, right? We have 5 income streams. You can get in where you fit in, right? So wherever it is that you see yourself fitting in, you can get started, right? And whichever one you start with, you'll actually get an additional income stream, which is our Black Friday special, okay? So if you start with the lowest, you get this lowest one and the Black Friday special as well. Now, let me go to show you what the Black Friday special looks like. So what it is actually here is you can get, this is our private community. So when you get started, this is actually our bonus, okay? One of our bonus, we have loads of bonuses. This is one of them where you get access to all this bonus material. And Black Friday promotion is one of them here, okay? So what exactly is this Black Friday promotion? Let me actually come back here and talk to you about that, okay? So it's actually a Black Friday promotion is where that millionaire mentor, she's actually earned 2 million now in 2 years. And she's doing a 4-day workshop where every single day for 4 days, she's going to walk you step by step to teach you exactly what she's done to become a millionaire, right? So she has a proven blueprint, and she talks to you about how you can use the blueprint. And then on day number 4 actually is Q&A, where you can ask any questions that you have, and she'll be able to answer you. So how much would it be worth to you to get your hands on this workshop from a millionaire mentor, right, who's willing to sit down with you, show you exactly what she did, and actually answer any questions that you might have? Okay, so she's actually going to be charging for this workshop, but if you get started this weekend, you get that absolutely free. So you get access to the training, the workshop, and you get access to you're able to activate that income stream as well. Okay, so very, very powerful. And then lastly, here in our community, by the way, you get an app on your phone for both this community and this platform here, where you can get access to your training on the go. So here is our calendar. Here are our members. We have over 45,000 paid members in our community. Our calendar is where we get live coaching and interactive sessions every single week. You can see here, there's the links there. And then finally, a classroom is where we get extra bonuses. Like this 90-day profit push is where our millionaire mentor sends us a video every day. And that video just gives us some tips and tricks. And there's always a call to action at the end as well, an assignment for us to do. Okay, so you get access to this one. You have all the replays here, but she keeps doing this 90-day runs, are very powerful to keep you committed, to keep you focused. Okay, and lastly, just to finish up here, I'm just going to go to our wins and just share with you some of our wins that we've had today here. I'm going to focus on financial ones. Okay, forgot to post. What did she forget to post? Danielle, 19 hours ago, made a $100 sell on a Monday and then an upgrade on Tuesday, right? So congratulations. Ginny, 10 hours ago, another $300 win while watching TV. Congratulations. Looking for the money wins. First customer, 13 hours ago, April. I started my journey on the 12th of August, and she's got her first customer. Welcome. Leads, leads do turn into customers, right? Lisa, 51,500 in 5 months, right? I have tears in my eyes as I write this. Congratulations, Lisa. I have shivers reading that as well, okay? Finally, my first sale, Stephanie, 8 hours ago, $100, but it's a start, okay? So 3 months ago. Mary Beth, $900 surprise ding from another on the other side of the world, right? This is a global business. So here we have a proven system. We have a community of like-minded entrepreneurs. And if you get started, by the way, not only do you get the Black Friday special, you also get access to these bonuses here real quick. Let me show you. You get access to the digital growth communities, which is what I shared you with, where I shared with you where you get access to the interactive coaching, the community, Canva crash course. If you don't want to show your face, you want to do faceless marketing, this Invisible Empire and this Canva course go hand in hand to show you how to do faceless marketing. Here, our millionaire mentor did a training on how she made her first million in 17 months. And so on and so forth, right? So very, very powerful. Get started this weekend. I even actually have done for you videos as well, short form videos that you could actually use straight away. I have to just put them together, organize them. But yeah, I'm so excited. What you want to do really is click the link below to claim your free 10K 30 days guide. When you claim that guide, I'm actually going to email it to you. So make sure you check your emails, because I'm going to give you access to a done for you marketing system as well. And respond to my email if you have any questions. I can record videos. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have. And if you're hungry if what you're doing is working for you, keep doing that. However, because if you keep doing what you've always got, you keep getting what you've always got, right? But if you want different results, you got to be willing to invest the time and the money to learn the skills that will bring you the results that you want. Okay, so if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.